Welcome to Serenity in the Silicon Valley. This amazing house in Redwood City, California is almost impossible to tell is built out of shipping containers. This shipping container house in the backyard of the main property is 100% powered by solar and is built using the H2O HONOMOBO series, giving a beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom shipping container house with modern finishes inside and out. This is a view of the front of the property with an amazing lap pool. This is a jacuzzi, steam bath, a beautiful setup for a fireplace in a sunken space next to the pool, and amazing vegetation with beautiful landscaping around the entire backyard. It's a closer view of the front wall, which is fitted with full height glazing and with amazing views almost of all the habitable spaces to the backyard and to the poolside deck. This is a closer view of outdoor seating on the side of the property next to the poolside. This is a view of the frontal part of the house facing the yard. These are sun loungers next to the pool deck. This is a view of the main house. This is a dining. This is a single wall kitchen. You'll appreciate the use of stainless steel appliances, the matte black cabinetry, and the big horizontal slit window that floods the inside of the shipping container house, and the sink space plus the counter space with natural lighting. This pool table is a nice setup that also serves as a dining area for the property. This beautiful ceiling light, the wood trim ceiling, and the full height glazing adds a modern ambience to this amazing house. This is a closer view of the pool table next to the kitchen, overlooking the full height glazing. There's a view of the dishwasher and the modern sink space. This is a view of one of the bedrooms with full height glazing overlooking the yard, the matte black cabinetry for wardrobe storage, and the wooden trim ceiling. The view of the same bedroom showing the high quality interior finishes. A view of the second bedroom with twin beds, and the space is also fitted with full height glass window for maximum daylighting and unrestricted view of the outdoors. This is a view of the same bedroom showing the storage space and the 2 beds. It's a view of the bathroom. The dark theme for the cabinetry is continued even into the bathroom. We also have white painted walls and high quality fittings and finishes through and through. This is a laundry alcove with a stacked washer and dryer. Landscaping around the property. A beautiful view of the outdoor space. Landscaping around the property, nice platform for sitting, even ideal for holding parties. Nice landscaping with vegetation and greenery around the tall buildings and the undergrowth shrubbery. Footpaths around the property as part of the landscaping. Nice swings around the backyard as part of the landscaping. This is a covered outdoor dining area overlooking the pool deck. This is a closer view of the pool side to the house with a fireplace, outdoor sitting area, the pool lap, and the big pool deck next to the house. A similar view with a closer view to this. This is a view of the lounge area showing the maximum daylighting through the full height glazing. This amazing property is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. You can check it out using the links in the description below. Which part of this modern serene property appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.